Good morning. Welcome to our school, Mount Litera and Kidzee Kanhauli. Better late than never, but better never late. And all the children arrived on time, and after that, we started our day. When the children come, the first thing we do is a warm hug. Just because warm hug shows how care we are and how supportive we are towards them. And also, a warm hug makes learning very interesting and funny. After that, assembly started, and we taken out well-dressed students every day during our assembly to boost their morale, and other ones can also learn by watching them. बच्चों के लिए तालियां बजाएं। सभी स्टूडेंट्स It's a rhymes class where words, dance, and learning take flights. So, admission is open. Enroll now for the bright future of your